Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try, I guess it's kind of being called Instagram style makeup now, which is like a brown smoky eye or something like that. But I think it's really pretty, and so I want to give it a try. So because it's Instagram makeup, I'm not using my tinted moisturizer today. I actually went and got a foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I hope I got the right color. They're not letting you use testers right now, so I'm kind of afraid it's going to be too light, but I'll see. Okay. I'm going to leave it at that because I don't want it to be too much. I'm just going to use this kind of brush. Okay. Whatever. Next, I'm going to use my color corrector, my MAC Prep and Prime. And the color I use is Peach Luster. Okay. So I'm going to use my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Amande. I don't know. I still don't know. I'm still going to do my Rihanna Fenty Pro Filter concealer. So just a little bit of this as even more of a highlight, and then a little bit down my nose. Next, I'm going to use my bronzer first, which is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Maui Nights. Ooh, that was too much. Next is my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany, which is what I use for a contour because it's matte first of all, and it's darker. Today is definitely going to be a little bit more of a mellow makeup tutorial. Like, I just feel really chill right now, and I kind of want to embrace that because lately, especially with the way everything is going, it's been a little bit of a roller coaster, and I'm just like up and down with my emotions. And today I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna try to forget about all of that right now and then just like play with some makeup because I am over it. So for under my eyes, I'm using my Morphe Banana Rich powder, and then around my mouth I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent medium deep powder. I will say this Morphe powder is messy, number one, and don't put on too much. I learned that the hard way. Don't put on too much of this. Just do just a little bit and tap it under your eyes where you want to highlight. If you use too much of this, it is very hard to wipe away. Very hard. And then you end up with that like kind of ghost look through here. Not cute. Not cute. Don't like that. And then the other one around my mouth. And then clean up the contour a little bit under here. So next is my brows. NYX brow pencil. Don't you hate when one of your eyebrows goes on like perfectly and the other one is like, fuck you? Like, I'm over it. I'm not going to do like the super strong Instagram type brow because that is just not what I enjoy. So I'm going to do Instagram makeup, but my way. I'm going to highlight under my eyebrow and clean it up with my Fenty concealer because it's a little bit lighter, so it'll add a little bit of a highlight underneath. I'm using the Morphe. This is the 350 Nature Glow palette. I really like the Morphe packaging. It's just like really pretty and simple and just chic and nice. I like it. Now I'm thinking of more of a like chocolatey smoky eye kind of situation, so I'm thinking like this color as my lid color and then finding some blending colors. So to start, I'm going to use this color here because you know I live in orange, so that's what I'm going to do first. I'm not going to leave it that orange because I do want it to be a little more toned down, but it's a good like underneath the next color that's going to go on top of it, kind of base color. So the color that I'm going to put on top of that is this one here, the one that's right next to it, just to tone it down just a little bit.
A few moments later.
Well, that backfired. It's going on a lot darker than I was expecting, so that actually kind of works though. That works. I am going to take this really dark chocolate one down here. Actually, turn your brush up like this and just pat it on. Go back with your blending brush and blend that out. Blend out the lid color and blend it into the colors that you have in your crease. And you just want to keep blending until there's no longer a harsh line and it just kind of fades into each other. Now I'm going to go in with this color here just as my highlight color on my brow bone, this flat brush, and I'm going to go back with that same chocolate brown color and go underneath my eye. Next, for my inner corner highlight, I want to try a matte one first. So I'm going to try this one. My battery stopped. I want to add a little bit more of the brown, the dark brown, so there's more to blend up, and then blend that up. Now inner corner. Okay. Now I'm going to use a brown liner instead of black because I don't want it to be harsh. I want everything to just be kind of brown and smoky. So I'm going to line the inner part of my eye with this pencil. So my next step, I'm going to put on my lashes and mascara. I'm not going to do any liner. The lashes I'm putting on are these Ardell Faux Mink lashes, numbers 814. Okay, so my lashes are on and I put on some mascara. I didn't do any liner, like I said. I'm using my blush palette from Juvia's Place. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And I'm going to use a mixture of this one, this kind of brown one, and mix it with this peachy coral orange. I am going to use a little bit of a highlighter just because for me personally this is very matte. I'm not a huge fan of just matte. So I'm going to use a little bit of this Milani blush, the Rose Doro, the Rose Gold, and just do a little bit of that kind of down my nose and then right here. Lip combo. Same lip liner as always. It is very dirty, please ignore that, but I'm using the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. Okay, MAC Kinda Sexy lipstick. Okay, and then right in the center, just a little bit of Myth lip gloss by MAC. Kind of spread it out. So I'm gonna go do my hair, put a different outfit on, an actual outfit on, and then I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Okay, so I am back with the finished look with my hair and my little outfit on. This would be like a perfect, well, maybe not date night. It depends on what you're doing for your date night. I don't know. I don't go on dates. But yeah, so this is the finished look. My Instagram, soft glam, whatever you want to call it, makeup. That's it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.